Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'm exploring the Panasonic SC series of air conditioners. This series has 6 different variants under its hood. In the capacity of 1 ton, there are SC12SKY5, SC12SKY5A, SC12SKY5E and SC12SKY5S. For 1.5 tons, there is SC18SKY5 and for 2 tons, there is SC24SKY5. To understand more about this range of ACs, let's explore the features one by one. To begin with, this range of Panasonic air conditioners comes with the Nano EG technology. Nano EG is Panasonic's original air purifying and filtering system that uses nanotechnology. The system releases 3 trillion fine particles consisting of ions and radicals which deactivate 99% of airborne, adhesive and in-filter trapped microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses and mold, leaving you with a cleaner indoor air. It also deodorizes adhesive odors from the upholstery to provide a more pleasant and healthy environment for your entire family. The purifying mechanism follows a 3-stage purification process. First, the catechin filter deactivates 90% of the odor-causing bacteria which is trapped by the filter. Second is the PM2.5 filtration. Now PM2.5 is a pollutant with a diameter of less than 2.5 microns or a millionth of a meter, which makes it very difficult for most air purifiers and ACs to detect and repair. These particles can pose some serious health problems. However, Panasonic's SC series ACs effectively filter and remove up to 99% of PM2.5 particles, thus giving you clean and safe air. Now, third in the purifying cycle comes in-filter deactivation, which ensures that the AC itself is clean. In this stage, the Nano EG particles deactivate up to 99% of bacteria and viruses trapped inside the filter itself. So friends, with the quality of air degrading by the day, it has become important that an AC not only performs the usual cooling function, but also acts as an air purifying system. Now let's understand a little bit about the hardware components of this AC. This AC's outdoor unit comes with a special EcoTough casing which is primarily made from Super Dyma metal sheet. This metal sheet is highly rust resistant, which eliminates the need of painting or any other kind of maintenance and thus ensures a corrosion-free longer product life. This AC also has an extra large heat exchanger that you'll find in very few ACs in this range. The extra large heat exchanger ensures maximum dissipation of heat from indoors. In addition to this, the condenser in this air conditioner comes with a special anti-rust coating called the Bluefin, and that ensures a longer life of this AC. Moving on to the next feature, this range of ACs is also equipped with a special powerful mode. The purpose of this operation is to obtain the set temperature as quickly as possible, and that means when the powerful mode is switched on, the set temperature is automatically decreased by 3 degrees Celsius against the present setting temperature. So friends, to sum this up for you, I think this range comes with some truly amazing features. I would seriously recommend the SC series ACs by Panasonic. You can go right ahead and buy them without any second thoughts. Also, if you're buying this on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a perfect buy.